Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to another episode of Dishes za Ajab. Now, today's recipe or today's episode, I'm going to make crepes. Now, crepes are the thin pancakes. Now, in this video, you will learn what's the difference between the thin one and the thicker ones, and I hope you learn something new. Let's get cooking. So when it comes to the crepes ingredients, they are simple. They're actually 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 eggs, you can put even 3, it's fine, but what will matter is and then when it comes to sugar, this is 3 tablespoons, 1 cup of milk, about 250 ml of milk. Now this is what now you need to whisk first. What I usually do is I usually put it at the ratio of 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, and then we come to the flour. Now you're using the all-purpose flour from Ajab. Now for crepes, the difference between crepes and pancakes is that the crepes do not have a raising agent. You do not use self-raising flour whenever you're making crepes. If you use self-raising flour, then make sure that time you're making pancakes, and when you do that, the consistency has to be thick. Now for this one, it will not be a thick consistency. So doing this, you are preventing the lumps forming. So it should not be thick, it should be a little bit runny. Now to this, you can add lemon zest, orange zest. I'm actually going to add some vanilla flavor, and also some oil, about a tablespoon of oil. So total amount of milk I've used is about 1 cup of milk and about 3/4 cup of flour. So that's the consistency you want. So now we're going to cook them. Pour on one side and then swirl the pan. Let the mixture spread all over the pan. So that's it. Let it cook on the first side. Since it's a thin layer, it doesn't take long to cook. So that's it. Again, second side should not take more than 30 seconds to cook. So I have some fresh whipped cream. I've put a little bit of sugar. This is optional, but this is a great dessert option. So they are cold. It's a good idea to wait for them to cool down. So apply a little bit of the cream. And then slices of strawberry. I'm leaving a space here in the center where I'll fold it. Fold it once, then fold it twice, then place on the plate. So I hope you've enjoyed yourself and learned something new once again. I'm Chef Raphael signing out from Dishes za Ajab. Till next time.